fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today is going to be a quick one, you guys. I am in the kitchen today and just cleaning it up because it is a absolute hot mess.com. I do have to run and grab my daughter from school because she did her rehearsal today and basketball practice. So I'm just trying to get these dishes in this kitchen cleaned up so that I can come back and make dinner. So it's going to be a quick video today, and the next video I will definitely have a whole lot more. Also, I just wasn't feeling as motivated today, you guys. Like, I kind of just took the day off to just relax and kind of get my mind together because I don't know, in the wintertime, and let me know if this happens to you, in the wintertime I tend to get a little bit sad. I don't know if it's just the winter blues or what it is, but it just takes a toll on my mental, and I just decided to just kind of just pause everything, and I really just did some self-care today and relaxed. I watched a nice movie and I just kind of just relaxed today. So when you're seeing this, it's a little bit later down in the evening, but I still needed to get it done, you guys, because my kitchen was just such a mess. So I hope that you guys gain some inspiration from this video and also motivation as well. So let's go ahead and get on into this kitchen. Does anybody else's countertops just get so messy and is a catch-all for everything under the sun? Like, my counters takes a beating daily. My kids drop their backpacks and sneakers and all type of things, mail and everything just gets dropped on these counters. I mean, our kitchen is small, but we use our kitchen 100% of the time. We are always in the kitchen together. And by the way, I'm watching Sweet Magnolias. Oh my goodness, you guys, if you have not seen this series on Netflix, it is the sweetest show, and I got hooked. And so I'm on season 4, and I am loving it. But anyway, get back to the kitchen. The counters just takes a beating, and so does my stove. I mean, I feel like I clean my counters and stove 100 times a day. So does anybody else does your counters takes a beating and just it's a catch-all for everything? Let me know down below.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away.
So this is normally my son's job. He normally does the garbage, but today I just told him, I said, just leave everything. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna get it out. He was a little tired as well. He just seemed exhausted from school today. He is a senior in high school, and so he's just focusing on really trying to get everything done and all of his classes done. So he came home today and he just seems so exhausted. So I told him, I said, I will take the garbage out. Don't worry about it. And so that's what I did here. But I ended up spilling some of the garbage out of the garbage bag. So I'm just sweeping it up now because y'all, oh my goodness. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little video of me cleaning my kitchen. I promise you next video it will be a lot more lengthy and a lot more footage. But thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that you're enjoying your day wherever you are and whatever time you are watching this video. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you next time. Bye.
And even if you're trying